one without the... This is Lucas here. I'm here to talk to you guys about the 3.7 Mustang build with the Rana racing kit that allows the Shelby GT500, well, the 07 to 2014, I believe, Supercharger to bolt on to the 3.7. There's two kits that he sells for that, which is one with the intercooler, air to air or air to water, which one do you pick, and one without the intercooler. But I was gonna do that, run it without the intercooler, but I didn't want to run strictly E85 and water methanol because it'd be too hot. So I decided to go with the air to air instead of the air to water. The air to water has less parts, so that's why I went to the air to air. It's in the video you guys are about to watch. It's not me currently talking. That's actually one of my really good buddies back in the States. I'm currently on rotation in South Korea, so that's a heads up.
So I've got literally everything out. I already looked through all your stuff in the back. To get this thing mounted, I'm gonna have to make mounting brackets for the front mount intercooler. To get these things routed through here, holy crap! I got some piping, like just as guiding piping mounted and everything on that side. This side, there's literally nowhere to put it. And then I was running through everything. Your wastegate all the way back there. Boom, that little guy's open. This one's open, this one's open, this one's open. And then you got an entire port that's open. I looked in your boxes, I couldn't find anything. And then of course there's your like top ports that are open, so like this one. You got this one that's open. I think these hoses just need to be replaced and connected in to like all these ones, like that one and such. But I was also looking through. I found that your alternator had no bolt on it, which is not good. And I mean the belt has got pretty good tension on it. This is pretty tight for a belt, but honestly, dude, I can button up all these lines and everything, which is gonna be like no problem, and I can deal with the throttle body and such. But yeah, you put in different injectors. I didn't know that, man. Yeah, I was looking. You definitely put in some different injectors in here, which makes sense on why it like runs so trash. So if we could literally just get a base map, I can plug in my laptop to your tuner, which is right there, and we can get it going, and I can start data logging off this. You probably just need to find a different tuner. But for getting all this stuff, this is going to be like a huge project. And I mean, I can do it, but it's going to be pretty expensive because this is like a lot to do, because I got to do like cutting and stuff to get everything to mount up properly. I got to custom make my front mount and everything. Like, it's a lot of stuff. It's not like my Evo where I can literally just like bolt a front mount intercooler in, you know. These cars don't exactly come with mounting for it. I mean, it fits in there perfect, which is amazing, but the piping that comes around and like up and in, there's just nothing. So I'd have to route that. But yeah, it's really just, it's up to you. But I don't want to like start cutting on your car and stuff, you know, to make space for your piping, you know, when it's not even my car without your permission and stuff. So yeah, it's all up to you, man. I also want you to know, precaution, it might be kind of pricey because it's like a piece, it's being pieced together, which is kind of unfortunate. You're missing a bolt everywhere, but we can get it going. It just takes time. Just now disconnected this so that it can stay running. Like with the maps disconnected, I don't know why it runs just fine. Like I said, the belts need to be tightened up quite a bit, so I was just going to replace this pulley with a bigger one, an idler pulley, and then it's going to be good to go. But this is it idle.
So in the last clip you saw, the car was actually running, and that was before I decided that I was going to run the intercooler setup, because if I didn't run it, I would have ran into heat soaking issues because it wouldn't have kept cool. So I could run 12 to 14 pounds of boost safely on stock internals with the intercooler. It comes with bigger fuel injectors, 50-pound fuel injectors, modified fuel rail, all the gasket, the bolts you'll need, two plates, one for the intake, one for the supercharger, which bolts on, lets it bolt on to the actual block. Supercharger belts, piping. Well, not the front mount intercooler piping. You have to buy that separate. You can just go on eBay, buy universal piping. That's what I did. That's how mine's set up right now. Let's see. The throttle body intake. I decided to ditch that personally and stick with the GT500 because I'm able to actually get more airflow through it instead of sticking with the single throttle body that the 3.7 uses. But if you do that, you actually have to buy a separate wire harness from vmp.com. I believe it's the 2011 through 17 wire harness adapter, and it's $100, kind of pricey. I decided to send it and get it anyway. Also comes with a mass airflow extension wire. You're gonna need that. That's about it. I'll keep you guys updated on the process. I normally post on my Instagram quite frequently. If you guys want to give that a follow, I'll leave the link in the description, and I'll also leave the link to the websites of all the parts I get in the description too. So if you're going to actually get it, you have to run a different hood as well with the intercooler. It will not clear with your stock hood, so I decided to actually get the cowl hood, 3-inch cowl hood. It'll clear with that pretty easy.